I exactly know how cinema happens. How that magic is created. In Family Man case, it was Raj and DK, and Hangama Hai Kyun Barpa Re anthology, it is Abhishek Chaubey.
I spent about 4 years doing season 1 and season 2 of 24.
Their series with Vijay Sethupathi and Shahid Kapoor. So I don't think, people will have to wait for season 3.
I would like to believe that there's a little more in me, especially now in this OTT world.
I have received so many calls after Rajniti and Gangs of Wasseypur, and everybody thought that, how can this happen to one actor so many times?
मनोज भाई, अभी ये आपके फैमिली मैन के जो किरदार है श्रीकांत तिवारी, वो इतना ज्यादा मकबूल हो गया, इतना ज्यादा पॉपुलर हो चुका है। बहुत बार क्या होता है कि एक्टर्स के साथ में एक जो पॉपुलर किरदार का एक साइड इफेक्ट ये होता है कि जो पब्लिक है वो उनको उसी तरीके के किरदार में फिर से देखना चाहती है एंड एक वो झलक देखना चाहती है। अभी इसमें भी डायल 100 में भी एक फैमिली का एक एलिमेंट है व्हिच कम्स टू द पिक्चर एज वेल। एज एन एक्टर आपको ये एक कभी घबराहट होती है कि दैट आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशंस आपसे जो हैं स्पेशली पॉपुलैरिटी के लेवल पे कि that you would be expected maybe to recreate that family
when Satya came, everybody thought that this guy is just a one film fluke, and everybody expected me to do the same thing. And it's 23 years from that film. I'm here talking to you. When Rajniti came, everybody, most of the filmmakers thought that I would do the same kind of thing. Or after Sardar Khan, again, people thought that, many calls. I have received so many calls after Rajniti and Gangs of Wasseypur. And everybody thought that, how can this happen to one actor so many times, that he creates such, landmark characters, and will he be able to get rid of this image? But I've been, by God's grace, I've been continuously doing different kind of stuff. Likewise with Family Man, when Family Man season 1 came, everybody thought the same thing. But I have done so many things after that. Family Man 2, when it has become, one of the top most popular series in the world. Yeah. At the same time, in the same month, Hangama Kyun Hai Barpa comes and Musafir Ali becomes quite a talk of the town. So it's my job is to, just keep chasing good stories, interesting characters, and the magnificent minds like Renzel De Silva, and be with them and challenge who can challenge me, who can put me in a situation where I'm not comfortable. I'm continuously forced to improve myself, and this is exactly what I do. Expectations is something that I choose to ignore, because that will completely bog you down, and you are not here to meet people's expectations. You are here to follow your dream, and this is exactly I'm doing. On the way, if you get appreciation, praises, you should bow down and say thank you. And if you get criticism, similarly, you should again say thank you for really giving me your valuable opinion. This is exactly what I do. With all humility, I'm saying this. There is this is not something I'm telling you to impress you or to impress your viewers. This is the way I behave, and this is the way I have conducted myself over the years. Have you ever seen me responding to any negative criticism of mine? Never. I've never responded to it, because I choose to be on the path of performing some really interesting roles, working with some really magnificent directors.
Absolutely. And Hangama Kyun Hai Barpa सिर्फ अप्रिशिएट नहीं किया गया। आई थिंक जो एंथोलॉजी थी उसमें सबसे ज्यादा जो क्रिटिकल अप्रिसिएशन अगर किसी शॉर्ट फिल्म को मिला था तो वो हंगामा क्यों है बर्पा को मिला है। which has been so Rajal, I'll come to you shortly, just in continuation of this. मनोज भाई, जैसे आपने मुझे बताया कि आप सत्या के बाद किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि आप उसके बाद किस तरीके से आप आगे जाएंगे, फिर और बहुत से आपने अपने को रीइन्वेंट किया। पिंजर आपने जिक्र नहीं किया, पिंजर was another phenomenal।
सत्या के बाद शूल आई थी, कौन आई थी, So लगातार
it kept
रोल
on
या
happening.
जुबेदा
And you kept on reinventing. सरदार खान का आपने जिक्र किया, आज भी उसके मीम्स जो है बहुत मशहूर हैं. Now Family Man is I think completely taken over. आपके करियर के में कामयाबी में आपकी ह्यूमिलिटी इंपॉर्टेंस रही है, डाउन टू अर्थ अप्रोच.
I don't know. This is me. Yes, I get angry. Yes, I get upset when I'm shooting. Yes, I get upset with certain kind of behaviors. Yes, I'm a human being. At the end of the day, but humility is something that you should not forget, because there are billions of people, and all of them are quite unique and quite gifted in their own way. और सारे के सारे ऊपर वाले के बच्चे हैं. And so there is nothing that really proves that I'm the only child of that Almighty. There are all of the people who are there in this world. All of them have their own job and they are doing it so well. So I am doing what I am supposed to be doing, and sometime I do it right, sometime I do it wrong. So there is no reason to be egoistic about it. There is no reason to be arrogant about it. And also, I know cinema is a collaborative medium, Faridun. The gentleman who's sitting, Renzil de Silva, he's the man, he's the captain who's sitting with each and every department, the experts and veterans, and getting them to really fulfill the requirements of his vision. And this is our actors are one of the most important factors or the departments of the filmmaking. This is not the only department. And I know that how our performances are made on editing table or in sound studios or in mixing studios. I exactly know how cinema happens, how that magic is created. So there is one person who is actually to be given the credit is the director, and in this case Renzil de Silva, or in Family Man case it was Raj and DK, and in Hangama Hai Kyun Barpa Rahe anthology it is Abhishek Chaubey. So I am very clear about it. Yes, we are the face of the film. That's why we get all the credit when the film is appreciated, and we get all the brickbats when the film is not doing well.
Right. Okay. So, Renzil, you've written a film like Rang De Basanti. For that, I think you'll always have you've etched your place in the cinematic history as far as India is concerned. But still, how do you look at your journey? Only happened, I think, almost 7 years back, and people have always had a lot of respect for you. But do you think that you've been able to realize your potential?
It's very hard for me to say, Faridun. Anyone who says they've realized their potential, I mean, this is in the hands of people like you and audiences. Otherwise, it's like navel gazing. If I only look at myself and I would like to believe there's a little more in me. And really, after only I follow my heart. See, one of the things is I don't have to make a feature film because I'm an ad filmmaker. So that runs my kitchen. I do films that I believe in on subjects that I actually feel I have something to say. Otherwise, why are you making a film? I don't really have to run my kitchen by making a feature film. So after Ungli, I spent about 4 years doing season 1 and season 2 of 24, which is a show I was very, very, I was a big fan of. And when Anil sir gave it to me to write and direct, and Abhinay and I came together, we made that show. And after that, I went back to advertising because I have to run my company. 24 took a lot out of me. In fact, I almost did like about 20% of the ads I normally do. And then I've been writing and I came back. So have I achieved my potential? I would like to believe that there's a little more in me, especially now in this OTT world where shows are being made that, breaks the formula really that has been imposed on a lot of writers, directors, actors. We now tell news stories. You don't really only have to work with stars. You can work with great actors. It's very liberating. So I think there's, I would like to really use this time. If you're saying potential, I would like to use this time in telling those news stories.
Of course. And Madhubhai, one last question to you. A lot of people, they are very keen to know that when is it that the third season of Family Man is going to be coming? You're going to China this time around. That should be very, very interesting.
I really don't know. Raj and DK, they have to first, get down to writing it and get into this, a screenwriter's room that they have created in their office. As soon as that starts happening, they will know where this series is going next. But I'm excited. I'm excited to really know where they are taking it. They have promised me that they will show me the first draft this time. So yeah, I'm also kind of looking forward to reading the first draft as soon as they are ready with it. But when we are talking, they are still shooting their series with Vijay Sethupathi and Shahid Kapoor. So I don't think people will have to wait for season 3 a little longer.
Manoj bhai and Renzel, thank you very much for your time. Looking forward to Dial 100. Looks very, very interesting. And all the best wishes for your future in this. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Please watch it. Please watch it. Please watch it. Thank you.